Hey all, how are you all doing? Hope all of you are doing well. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe. So, today we're going to talk about something interesting. In this time of pandemic, in this time of lockdown, everyone is quarantined at home. Lot of uncertain events are happening, as we can see around the Assam floods, as if the corona was not enough, and lot of other things, lot of uncertainties. And one of the common things that is happening to all of us around the world, is the anxiety. Anxiety is building among people. If you see people who are at jobs, they are worried if they might lose the job, and some are worried to keep the job, and students are worried about the results. Now when the results have come out, parents are worried about their children's future. Where will they be studying next? How will they get the job in this pandemic? How will they survive in this world if it's going to proceed like this? Everyone have their own kind of anxieties inside them. And anxieties is not a big deal. Some people make it a big deal because they don't know how to deal with it. They don't know how to handle it well. If you really look at anxiety, it is just an emotion that is trying to control you. Just like happiness is a choice, anxiety can also be a choice that you can avoid or you can choose. So anxiety is a negative emotion about the future event that's going to happen. See, a lot of us think, oh, we're feeling anxious that something bad might happen. Might happen is a future event that you don't know might happen or might not happen. But the anxiety gives you the assurance that it will happen. See, anxiety is not predicting your future. It's just an emotion and you can get out of it. I'll tell you one of the easiest ways. One of the easiest ways that I apply, and which has been applied from many people around the world, and that is, see, when you're anxious, let's take an example. When you're going to write an exam, how do you feel? Do you feel very calm, very much at ease, like everything is so peaceful around you? Do you feel like that? Definitely not, right? We feel nervous, we feel excited, we feel anxious. Oh my god, paper is in 1 hour, and some people's knees starts to shake. That much people get anxiety. Oh, what might happen, what might happen, what might happen? Imagine teacher is giving you the exam sheets. You have got very low marks. You know that you have not written well, and she's announcing the marks in front of the whole class. How anxiously you wait for your results. How anxious you become. But what after that? After you get your test paper, what happens? Imagine next period in your school is a games period. What happens? Do you still feel scared once you get the results? No. Once you get the results, it's over. Once you write the exam, you'll not feel anxious anymore. You'll be free. It's the same way. Like, imagine you go and write the exam and come out. Do you still feel anxious? Oh my god, what will happen? What if it doesn't turn out? Nobody feels like that. Once you write the exam, everybody will forget it. They'll even forget what they learned, because everything, whatever they have learned in 3-4 last months and years, they will write it and they'll forget it. That's how students study these days. And once they come out of the exam, it's over. That's how anxiety is. It's over. It's not a permanent emotion. Just like happiness, I was telling, you can't be happy all the time. You can choose to be happy at all the times, but it's a choice. Anxiety is also a choice. If you're getting anxious, how to get out of it? I'm going to tell you. See, sit and relax and think of the future event that you are afraid of, that you might think will happen or will harm you. Think of that incident and think past it. Think past it. Like I gave you an example of an exam. See, exam anyway, it's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. Okay, what after that? What are you gonna be feeling after the exam? Just put yourself in that place and see yourself. See yourself, hear yourself out, how happy you will be, how relaxed you will be, how calm you will be, how much you will be in a celebration mode. Think of that, get that feeling inside of you and move out. That is one of the easiest way that you can handle anxiety. Remember, it's not just a prediction of the future. It's not a prediction. It is just an emotion that you can choose to avoid. I hope this video has helped you. Thank you for watching the video. Hey guys, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe and share it with your friends. For more awesome contents, ring that bell icon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.